Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy dreary Saturday. Oh my gosh, it's 7:42 and it's almost dark out. It looks like October, only it's not October. The only thing good about October is Halloween. The weather, not so good. So, I wanted to talk a little bit about the single wick candle sale that's going on at Bath and Body Works. Is this a good deal? It's not a bad deal. I know that's not like a glowing like recommendation, but it's not a bad deal. Today only $5.95 with the code SOFRESH. Online and in the store, you're gonna need the code on your app. So it is a really good deal, actually, because anytime you get a $5.95 on single wicks, it's a good time to stock up. I don't have a lot of spring single wicks, actually. I have Peepin' It Real. This is a little bit of a Play-Doh vibe to it. I don't even think this one is available online. I think it's sold out. The ones that I'm actually kind of interested in are the ceramic ones because those are normally $18.95. On sale for $5.95. There's white tea and sage, cozy amber and vanilla, lavender and hinoki, bergamot and musk, and rose and oud. I'm really curious if they're going to bring the mason jars back this summer. They brought them back last year, so I know a lot of you, like me, prefer the mason jars with these screw-off tops. I don't know why. I really just like the size of this one. I like that you have a lid that screws on. These stack really well. This, of course, is the Blue Raspberry Snow Cone, which is coming back in the summer. I never really got totally on board with these newer style single wicks, and I don't know why. I just prefer the old ones. These are a little bit more wax. The old ones, I think, are 7 ounces, I believe. Where is the ounces? Yeah, 7 ounces. And these are 8 ounces. But it's funny. I swear this one looks bigger. It's like an optical illusion, isn't it? I swear this looks like it's bigger. I don't know why. I also have got berry waffle cones sitting on my desk. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So anyway, there are a lot of single wicks available right now. One thing I like about the single wick, it's funny because Lenny just did a video on the Hazel Candle Company, the single wicks, and I haven't experienced them yet because I had them sent to Johnstown. But those are like really natural scents, which I think are going to be really interesting to try out. And anytime you have a single wick, like a lot of people always say to me, like, what is really the difference between the single wick and the 3-wick? So when you have a 3-wick, you are getting this large space that is able to give off fragrance. I mean, it's clearly obvious. Let me show you this. I mean, space-wise, you're going to get a lot more scent off of a 3-wick. Additionally, you've either got 3 wicks going with the flame, or if you're using a warmer, again, you have a lot larger space. So a 3-wick obviously is going to be a lot more fragrance. I'm seeing the 4-wicks floating around out there. They're in the test stores. I'm really curious to get my hands on a Bath & Body Works 4-wick. As many of you know, Kringle started doing the 4-wicks. I love those large 4-wicks. Harry Slatkin, he's actually got the 4-wicks, those giant candles. He had a 5-wick with the Elton John collection. So, I mean, you've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wick candles. And obviously, the more wicks, the larger space, you're going to get more fragrance. These are definitely more intimate candles. They make really good gifts, though. I'll have to say, anyone I have ever gifted a single wick to is delighted. I tend to do where if I'm gifting someone something for a birthday, like Mother's Day or something, I do a single wick, and then I do a hand soap. And I don't know why, but that combo just makes people smile. They love it. They love getting a single wick and a hand soap. And you know why? I think because it's a good bathroom combo. A lot of people really like putting the single wicks in the bathroom because They're adorable. They fit nicely on the counter, or on like the back of the toilet, or like a shelf, and they look cute, and they give out a delicate amount of scent. They're not like a powerhouse. So that's why I think people like the single wick. The single wicks are cute. They have spring apple, they have ice lemon pound cake, they have clothesline breeze, they have, of course, the tropicals, pink pineapple sunrise, coconut pina colada, and then the Disneys, Aurora, Rapunzel, Milan, and Snow White are still available. Oh my gosh, Main Street Bakery. They also work really well in like a kitchen space. Sometimes like after dinner, you might want to light up a little single wick to kind of get rid of like some of the food smells. They work really good. So I do like single wicks. The problem for me is sometimes I just go overboard, and I haven't done this recently. I've been really good about buying single wicks, but in the past, when there was like a $4.95 or a $5.95 sale, I'd buy a whole bunch, and I'm like, I got too many single wick candles, and I only have 2 bathrooms upstairs, and the kid like, how many single wicks can I have going? So that's why I've been really good about not overbuying. A lot of people like fresh rainfall and linen, clean house vibes. Those are nice. If you have like a first floor laundry. I do not have a first floor laundry, but like if you were folding clothes, I think it would be, kind of nice to burn like maybe a fresh candle while you're getting some work done in your laundry room. So there's definitely a place for the single wicks, and my guess is that they're popular. Otherwise, Bath and Body Works wouldn't keep doing them. They did used to have the wax melts. They got rid of those. I don't know if they weren't as popular. Obviously, Genki has wax melts. Kringle has the melts. Goose Creek has the melts. Goose Creek does really well with their they have a lot of single wicks too. So anyway, these make great gifts. I gotta kind of think myself. I'm actually kind of looking online going, do I need to buy any for gifts coming up? I always try to evaluate, like, do I have any birthdays coming up? I like to get my mother-in-law a couple of candles for Mother's Day. So I might do a little shopping about this. I haven't decided yet. I need to get in the store. Anyway, single wicks, $5.95 today. Let me know what you use them for, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.